Number 30, number 30, number 30.
Tastes like Bible. Getting too bright. So I came back to the hotel because I couldn't finish. I think my stomach's shrinking because I haven't been eating much. But anyways, I'm good at drinking, so I mean drinking like liquid, not alcohol. So this is like half finished. People, the Korean vloggers that I watched, they said this is really good, so that's why I got Five Guys. Shake Shack, like it was all packed. There was a line and all that, so I was like, I don't have to eat it, so I went to Five Guys, which they said it's better than Shake Shack. So I just went for it, and it just tastes like a normal burger. Like there's nothing special to it, honestly. And I should have got the soft drink instead of milkshake, but I still enjoyed it, and it tastes like ice cream, which is not great if I have cold, but like I'm very warmed up, so this is okay. I'm gonna go out and get the $5 licorice, a big licorice for my mom and my brother. Yeah, so I'm gonna go out to Times Square now. This is the 45th Street, going from 8th Avenue to 7th Avenue. I think there was a Broadway show just then, because there were like people lining up. What I love about New York is there are policemen everywhere, so I feel a bit safer. Hershey's. Thank you. Take care. World's largest. Should I get world's largest? But it looks old. It's 11:30 and there's so many people. Thank you. I'm glad I came out. I feel much better. I'm gonna go to the convenience store again and then get water because I'm thirsty AF. Today, I think because it rained, so there are not that many people. The thing I love about right now is there are not that many, you know, the salespeople that ask you to buy stuff. So so many like choices. I don't know them though. Should I just have Fiji? It's 12 a.m. right now, and I think I'm on the top floor because I don't know if you can see, but this is the top one. So I'm gonna do aquafina mukbang. I mean review. I'm so thirsty. Not bad. Doesn't taste like anything. I think I might go to the gym, but I don't know what to wear. That's tomorrow. Yeah.
Wicked. It will make you feel everything.
I'm just gonna check out level 3 because apparently there's a gym and I might work out, but not. I don't know about this outfit, but we will see. So let's go. I want to try the, you know, the half hair tie thingy. I don't know if it will look good on me, but you know, I just wanted to try. I need some brush to tie this up. Kinda looks like a, you know, the Japanese samurai, but this is kinda like the trend these days. So I'll try. You know, the Ariana Grande vibe, which I don't have, but I can try, you know. So this is my attempt. Like, I don't really do much with my hair usually, so this is my first attempt, and I think I'm gonna go bald because of this, but just wanted to put some variety, you know what I'm saying? So let's go.